In this video, I will share with you how much I've earned by simply watching online ads. I've come across several videos where people claim to have made huge amounts of money daily by watching advertisements online. I got curious because if this method truly works, then anyone, including myself, could potentially earn a lot of money on the internet space through this simple method. So I've been following a lot of YouTubers' videos and I have diligently followed all the steps they outline in their tutorial. I did everything they said in this particular video.
I'm going to explain exactly how to make this money online watching 30-second ads from either your phone or your tablet.
I just found another interesting way to make money online just by watching ads. This website pays well and easy to use. All you need to do is to go to this website and click on ads and watch some videos. You will earn instant cash through PayPal. Now, the more ads you watch, the more money you make. You can actually cash out your earnings every single day.
I went through everything in those videos step by step. I understand that everyone wants to make money easily, so that is why I'm taking it upon myself to try this method and share with you guys how much I have earned. My name is Julius, and on this channel I make videos on how to improve your personal finance, which include how to make money both online and offline, how to invest, how to manage your money, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. And if you're interested in things like this, can you like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. While watching videos from these creators on how to earn money online by simply watching advertisements, a couple of them made mention of paidwork.com.
Let's head over to the website called paidwork.com. Now, to make money with this website, it's 100% free and it's available from any country across the globe.
I'm going to tap Play Store and it's going to open. Then I'm going to search for an app called Paidwork, right? That's the app showing up right here, right now. Paidwork, make money.
And as a very smart sharp guy, I brought out my laptop, opened my Chrome, and quickly created an account on paidwork.com. I proceeded to get the app on my phone since it's free and available in every country. I decided to invest a lot of time into making money through this channel. I was already checking out the type of car and mansion I would like to buy so that I can know how many ads I'm going to watch to make this money. So I kept watching ads Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. Everywhere I was going and whatever I was doing, I kept watching ads. While I was driving, shopping, watching TV, resting, reading, I was busy watching ads every second. To stay motivated, I occasionally checked the information about the car I plan to buy from the money I get from watching ads. Sometimes I admired it for a moment and then went back to watching ads. So I kept doing this for about 3 weeks and I decided to check out how much I've earned from watching advertisements online. So guys, come closer, let's check how much I've earned in 3 weeks. So in about 3 weeks, I was only able to earn that little from watching advertisements online despite my focus, dedication, consistency, and the time I've spent watching advertisements online. And the most painful part is that car I wanted to buy. Forget everything you've heard about watching ads online for money and other unrealistic ideas. Because I'm so pained right now, I can't imagine people dedicating their time and energy to watch ads online for days only to earn a very little amount of money. I just want you to know that what most of these YouTubers are telling you are not entirely true. They understand that you are so desperate to make easy money and they took that advantage to lure you into watching videos that will waste your time and resources. Maybe for views, I don't know. But I know that some of you will not watch this video to the end because I'm not here to lie to you or waste your time. Well, that is by the way. So this is how the whole thing works. Paidwork.com is an advertisement platform where people pay to showcase and promote their products through advertisements. So Paidwork also needs a lot of people that can keep watching ads on their platform so that they can show that data to their clients to convince them that people are actually engaging and watching their ads. On this platform, you can earn between 0.4 cents to 1 cent for watching a 30 seconds ad. And to be able to withdraw your money, you must accumulate at least $10, which will take you approximately about 84 hours to 209 hours to earn. That's between 9 days to 10 days, that's if you're not sleeping or resting at all. And sometimes the app doesn't even show you video to watch because there's no ads available. I'm not even certain that you will be able to withdraw your $10 even after accumulating this $10 because a lot of these content creators and YouTubers that have been showing us these videos that it is possible for you to make money via watching ads and not showing us the process that they go through while withdrawing their own money. So I kind of doubt it. Is it worth it? Well, no. It is not even guaranteed that you will get paid even if you were able to accumulate the $10 as promised. If it is possible to earn a amount of money by watching ads online, then every one of us will be a millionaire by now. And like I said, most times these ads are not even available to watch, so you just have to keep reloading. Even if you're not hungry, I'm very sure you already know that you need an internet connection to watch this ad. And if you are in Nigeria, you know that internet is not cheap. So investing that amount of time, resources, and energy for 1 cent and sometimes 0.4 cents is not worth it. Though there are many ways that you can actually earn money from this platform, but one of these YouTubers advised that it is better to focus on watching ads because that is the one that pays the most.
You can see here with this particular website or app, there are many ways to earn. But today we're going to focus on the video watching because that one pays the most.
And that's true because if you want to play games or do survey on this platform, they are not available in most African countries. So these people know exactly what they are doing. They just want people to keep coming back to watch ads on their platform. Take it or leave it. Watching ads won't make you rich. Or if you've gotten paid through this method, you can let me know in the comment section. None of these YouTubers talking about this have actually got paid through this method. Invest your time in doing something valuable. Watch educative videos and finance videos. Actually, when I was younger, I also think it is possible to make money without doing anything, but it is not possible. That's even kind of silly. If you want to make money, whether online or offline, you need to keep this at the back of your mind, that value is an exchange for money. You have to provide value or solve a particular problem to earn money. There's no free money anywhere. And on my channel, I share real ways to earn money both passively and actively. I create tutorial videos, but many of you don't watch them. Instead, you're always looking for videos on how to find money on the floor and how to make $2 billion from watching Netflix. Well, these things are not realistic. Or tell me, how much have you made from watching these videos? I'm listening, tell me. Drop in the comment section ways of making money online that you would like me to try, and I'll definitely give it a shot and share with you whether they are worth it or not. And if you are looking for easy skills that can make you very rich this year, then check out this video where I discuss these skills, where you can learn them for free, and how much you can earn from these skills. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel where I drop crypto updates and personal finance tips, which include how to make money both online and offline. I will leave the link in the description below. Can you like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we drop a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.